The two duck to see, but I don't have time to be doing this shit tomorrow. I've got something to be doing. MCU 2P, or this is the microphone variant. Again, the correct name will be up in the title, so you can just read that, because I forget the exact version. US, and then M for medium. This one, like I say, mic port down here. Very lovely mask, grey. This one's going to waffle. Straps are in great condition. It has a looped pull tab here as well, which is pretty cool. Traditional American style harness. This has the outsert on as well, which is essentially kept on with elastic and a couple of clips. If I put that there, pull the elastic down off that like so, and just lift it off. It's got a bit of a scuff on it. It looks like it's been bent a few times. That's not good. Well, let's whip this off. The lens is yellow quite a bit, and one of the things people don't seem to talk about the fact is that the lenses aren't plastic. It's a really cool feature. I can see why it yellows now, because of course it's clear. The grey rubber. Very shallow filter threads, 40mm NATO of course. This one was made, as you can see there, 1997 by MSA. Sorry, 1992 by MSA. There's your exhale valve, which comes off quite a fucking bit. Drinking tube. Don't need to explain to you how that works. There's your other voice emitter. If I... Oh, my back really fucking hurts. God damn it. If I pull the head harness over, you can see the inside. As you can see, there's a mic port. Now, these masks are mainly well known for, if I remember correctly, their use with the US Air Force. All laser cup has this little lip here, which from the lens forward can make it look like someone's folded the all laser cup out. There's your little wire and your drinking tube. Pulling that forward, grey silicone. Nice little deflector there. There's some dried blood there. Very lovely. I'll be cleaning it before it goes to waffle. Chin rest with the sweat hole. 2 valves. Not a lot to say about this. It's American panoramic mask. The more common of the American masks that you can get around. I still like to have one in large, because the yellowing doesn't bother me. I do wear yellow aviators like the father, or as people call me, the fucking father for wearing them. Joseph Seed looking ass, as Devin calls me. Of course, Tommy called me the fucking father, whereas I took inspiration from Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. But you don't get to choose what people call you. MSA, and there's your fucking code. There's not a lot for me to talk about this, really. It's really cool, nice soft rubber. I think it might be silicone. Feeling that, yeah, do you know what? I think it is exactly the same material as the XM28 down here. So that's pretty cool. Good voice on it. Could be better, not gonna lie, but it could be a lot worse. Fairly, like I say, because of the way it folds, it can be quite compact. I don't see many of these deformed. Let's get the thingy back on. Loop it under, pull over the top, and your outsert is back on. There's a shaded outsert, but we don't have one of those. 6-point head harness. And that should be the last American mask I'm going to be covering for a while. I've got a large US M9 coming. Big thanks to Nick for that one. I cannot wait for that to get here. My medium just sold like an hour before this. So, pretty cool. Now all I've got to do is my old Instagram setup is currently dismantled. So I've got to figure out how the fuck I'm going to photograph this in a good spot for the thumbnail. I'll think of something. Probably.